I'm going to introduce you to you. As I said, you are not just the body or your mind or what you cognize as you. Listen, you are not just body or mind or what you cognize as you. Let me show you a simple presentation. Visualize this as a round. I am trying to redraw whatever is projected. Actually, you are totality of your body. Please, the first component of you is your body, the physical body which you are carrying, which is made out of bone, flesh, blood. This is the first component. Then second is your breathing structure. Inhaling, exhaling, the breathing structure is the second. Third, your mind. Sometimes up, alive, excited, sometimes depressed, sometimes frustrated, sometimes feeling guilty, sometimes feeling alive, bright, sometimes feeling tired, bored. Mind. That is the third part of you. Fourth, what you cognize as you. What in core of you, what you cognize as you. What you feel as you. That's the fourth part of you. Fifth, the bliss, freedom beyond all these four. I can say the glimpse of real you. The real you is not what you think as you. Actually, the real you is covered by what you think as you. So whatever you think as you, your body, your breathing system, your mind, your cognition, when you penetrate all these four, then you realize the real you. You experience the real you. These 5 layers, in each layer you have certain mental patterns, incompletions. I can say that when you travel in city, if you are going from here and want to cross the city, so many diversions. Suddenly one political rally, take diversion. Then road is cut by PWD, take diversion. Road is cut by BSNL, take diversion. Traffic jam, take diversion. Finally, instead of crossing the city, you will end up back in the same road. No, that's what exactly is happening in our life. When you try to cross layer by layer and reach your core, please understand, every day, every one of you are struggling to experience your core. When you are back from your work, the way you throw your shoes, throw your clothes, lie down on the bed, even in that moment, you are trying to reach the real you. Unfortunately, constantly you are facing the boards, take diversion, take diversion, take diversion. Each one of your mental pattern is take diversion board, no entry board. Take diversion, no entry, road closed, maintenance work going on, sorry for the inconvenience. These are the boards you are constantly facing. Every pattern, every incompletion you are carrying is no entry board which stops you experiencing the real you. The real you. I should define the word incompletion. Words, thoughts, emotions, residues, hangovers of the past sitting in your present and not letting you live your future is pattern. Listen. Words, thoughts, emotions, hangovers, residues sitting in your past, not letting you live your future is incompletion or patterns. It can be as simple as morning cup of coffee. There are many people without cup of coffee, they can't get out of their bed or they can't get out of their bedroom. Many can't even go for 1, 2, 3 without cup of coffee. No, it's a physical level pattern. It can be as simple as cup of coffee and as complicated as always attracting abusive relationships. Please understand, if you are constantly attracting the people in your life who cheat you, who abuse you, who exploit you, even that is your pattern. So please understand, I have to tell you the truth. I have to reveal the truth to you all. If you are attracting again and again people who are abusing you, cheating you, exploiting you, or hurting you, harming you, even that is a pattern. I'll explain step by step. It can be as simple as morning cup of coffee to as complicated as attracting, abusing, hurting people in your life. Both are patterns at different levels. You have 5 parts of you where the patterns are stored. These 5-layer patterns are responsible for you not experiencing completion. Once you experience completion, you will simply know how to rewrite your life, how to create your life as you want. These 5-layer patterns, incompletions, with which we are struggling. Now I am going to help you. I am going to help you in these 2 days to complete and penetrate all those incompletions and experience the real you. The real you. The real you covered by what you think as you. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyana Peetham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999, www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.